Workplace safety doesn't start after an injury, it starts way before. Risk assessments are how we catch problems before they turn into incidents. When people know what to look for and feel safe reporting it, hazards don't get ignored. Near-miss reporting gives us a second chance to fix something before someone gets hurt. Breaking down tasks step by step helps uncover the smaller risks hiding in plain sight. Risks are often scored by how likely and how serious they are. Some hazards can be engineered out completely, and when we can, we should. Other times the fix is a smarter routine, like shorter shifts or team lifts. And when risk can't be removed, that's when PPE steps in as the final layer of defense. It's not enough to spot the issue. We track fixes and follow through. Empowering workers to speak up, even stop work, makes safety everyone's job, not just the safety teams. When risk reporting is easy and fixes happen fast, injuries drop and teams thrive. Learn more about workplace safety. Visit medcor.com.